All right, I'm back on 280 right now, and the experiment has begun. So I dropped down a piece of grass, just plopped it down. We're gonna see what happens. Most interestingly, this is another spot where I don't know how the Zoysia got here. It used to be a very small patch, and it's slowly moving out and taking over. This grass, the Bahia grass, if it's gonna look good, it has to be mowed almost weekly. This, if I mowed it once a year, would be fine. And that is why this experiment is so critical to the highway department. Because I know it's crazy to go, oh, let's plant Zoysia along the highway. But the thing is, if this grass takes over, and you can reduce the number of mowings that you have per year, imagine the cost savings to that. That would be big. I've also placed one last piece on this hillside because, as you can see, there's a lot of hillsides out here. And the question is, will it root, will it grow on a hillside where water runs off? So the experiment has begun, and I guess we're gonna revisit this maybe summertime, and we're gonna see what happens. Has it taken root? Really, this is the beginning to see if this whole idea is viable.